Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can delete your contributions on Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Now, your contributions are pretty much just changes that you can make or suggest to Google Maps so that the map is of a higher quality and that you can see more things more accurately. Now, you can do it through just making contributions, suggesting edits, and then they'll all be listed in your contributions menu, which you can then access to see the list and then delete them from the list. Now, what you're going to do, at least on the PC version, is once you're here, just go into the menu, go into your contributions, and that is going to open up this screen right here. Of course, under contribute, you should see a contributions list, and once you're here, just click or tap on the three dots or any options you might have, and then just delete the contribution that you want. After you delete the contribution, it should delete the change itself from Google Maps. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.